Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you guys?
Okay, what the hell is going on?
Ow!
I think we got sucked into the game.
Holy shit!
Oh my God. Fridge?
Yeah, I'm Fridge. Who are you?
It's me, Spencer. Martha?
Yeah.
And we've all become the avatars we chose.
So that means
Bethany?
I'm an overweight middle-aged man. This can't actually be happening.
Guys, how are we gonna get home?
This is a video game, which means we all have special skills. Strengths, smoldering intensity.
Damn, that is a man right there.
I hate this game.
Everybody run! If you get stuck in Jumanji, we all could die. I have to warn you, I think I'm a very strong puncher.
That is insane.
Don't let this new body get your butt whooped.
I'd like to see you try.